Alright, hello. This video is to show you guys how to take a sample from the photobioreactor. We have this sampling apparatus all set up and ready to go. The purpose of the sampling apparatus is to allow us to remove samples from the photobioreactor without compromising it, not having to open it up like we did for the fermenter when we were making beer. This allows us to take samples without having to open it up so that we don't have to worry about getting any contamination inside. So here is how we're going to take the sample. First thing we need to do is take this clip off and this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to push the residual liquid that's in the line back into the photobioreactor, because if we were to pull this liquid out, the stuff that's in the line right now, it's not really representative of the amount of cells that we have inside. So we've got a syringe here. I've pulled it out so that it's full of air. We're going to push some air through that line and clear out the remaining liquid. Alright, so we can clamp that one back up and pull the syringe off. We don't need that anymore. And now we can get prepared for taking our sample from the other side. So we're going to take that clamp off. And we've got another syringe here for taking the sample. We take the cap off. Just set it down. Screw the syringe on and extract a sample. Just pull it out until you have about 10 milliliters of liquid, maybe a little more than 10 milliliters. Then what we want to do next is clamp off the main line. Open up the air line, and we're going to extract a little bit more fluid so that we clear out this part here and this part here, so that we don't leave a bunch of liquid in the line for the next sample. So that's cleared it out pretty well. Alright, so then we can clamp that off again. We can clamp this one off. We can unscrew our syringe, and then we want to put it into a storage tube. So one of these sterile conical tubes. Just shoot it into there. And that sample is now ready for analysis. What we want you to do for the analysis is a cell count on that and a dry weight, and then the remainder of the sample is going to go in the fridge. But before you do anything, make sure you label the tube. We want your name on the tube, the date, the time, and the sample number. If you want to know what sample number we're on, we are logging all of the information on this computer here, so make sure that you look, find out what sample number we're on, and fill in the appropriate information on the computer log as well. So there's a variety of different things that you need to fill in on that. And I guess that's it for this video.